Many StanStore users consider disconnecting PayPal due to fees, regional restrictions, or simply preferring alternative payment processors like Stripe or Square. This video guides you through the process of safely and effectively removing PayPal as both a payment gateway and a payout method from your StanStore. As of January 2026, StanStore has streamlined this process, but careful steps are necessary to avoid disrupting your business. Removing the payment gateway will prevent new transactions from processing via PayPal. Removing the payouts will stop transfers from StanStore to your PayPal account. First, log into your StanStore admin dashboard, typically found at store.stanstore.com/admin. Navigate to the Settings section, then select Payments. And finally, click on Gateways. This will bring you to the area where you can manage your connected payment processors, including PayPal. This is where you will begin the disconnection process. In the list of active gateways, locate PayPal. Click on the Deactivate or Remove button next to it. You'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision by entering your PayPal account email and a verification code sent to your registered email address for security purposes. StanStore will also prompt you to select a replacement gateway to avoid checkout failures for your customers. Ensure you have an alternative like Stripe or Square set up before fully disconnecting. Before completely disconnecting, it's crucial to manage any pending payouts. Go to Settings, then Payouts, and select PayPal. Review any funds held in escrow. You can either wait for the auto processing, which usually takes up to 7 business days, or manually transfer them to another account. Failing to do so could result in delays or complications in receiving your funds. After addressing any pending payouts in your StanStore dashboard, locate the PayPal payout method in the settings. Click the Disconnect button to begin severing the connection. A confirmation dialog will appear, warning that this action will permanently sever the link between StanStore and your PayPal account for all future payout transfers. Review the details carefully. Click Confirm to complete the disconnection. StanStore strongly recommends exporting your payout history before proceeding, as this data is essential for tax records and financial tracking. Once disconnected, no further automatic transfers will occur to your PayPal account. This ensures a clean separation while maintaining your financial records. After disconnecting PayPal from StanStore, follow this essential checklist to ensure a smooth transition. First, update any linked apps or plugins that relied on the PayPal integration through StanStore's API. Access your StanStore API settings to reconfigure these integrations for your new payment gateway, ensuring no disruptions in functionality. Next, notify your customers about the change to prevent confusion during checkout. Consider sending an email announcement or displaying a banner on your store homepage. Finally, thoroughly test your entire checkout process with the new payment gateway. This includes verifying that payments process correctly and customers receive proper order confirmations. When disconnecting PayPal from StanStore, be aware of several important considerations. First, any existing transactions that were initiated before you remove the gateway may still process through PayPal, so customers who started checkout earlier will complete their purchases as normal. Under 2026 regulations, such as PSD3 in Europe, it's crucial to ensure no data breaches occur during the removal process. Fortunately, StanStore's tools automatically encrypt all sensitive information to maintain compliance and security. StanStore itself doesn't charge any fees for disconnecting payment methods, but if you have unresolved payouts that remain pending, they may incur holding fees of typically 0.5% after 30 days. Make sure to review and process any outstanding payouts before completing the disconnection. Finally, PayPal may require two-factor authentication to complete the disconnection process. You'll need to verify your identity through their security measures before the removal is finalized. As a final tip, always test your checkout process after disconnection to ensure everything works smoothly with your remaining payment methods. The e-commerce landscape is shifting towards diversified payment options. Consider exploring embedded payments like Apple Pay or Google Pay integrated directly into StanStore. Google Pay offers seamless checkout experiences for customers worldwide. Crypto payouts via services like Coinbase Commerce are also emerging, though adoption remains limited due to market volatility. By 2030, PayPal's market share is predicted to decrease as platforms prioritize multi-gateway ecosystems. Staying informed about these trends can help you optimize your payment strategy for the future.